Okay.
Alright, so I'm over at East End Bike Shop, or Third Ward Bike Shop, and I bent my, well, a bunch of you on my Facebook know, I bent my front fork. He's got an old tool called a, what do you call it, Little Brute?
It's called a Little Brute. They were made in small quantities, I'd say 50 years ago. And I've had one for a while. I've only used it a few times because.
Hey, it looks like an old bumper car jack.
Right.
Yes, I'm old enough to know what a bumper jack is.
Yep, that's.
So this is the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Oh, wait, what the hell am I photo? Oh, I see.
Oh.
Better stop that.
So just push it back.
Pressing on your damn crank. You don't need that.
Yeah, don't need that. I do enough to my bike without any extra accident.
I don't need that. No.
Yeah, it made a car tool into a bike tool
That's a long
back in the
time
day.
ago. They
Yeah,
were made in Iowa.
made in Iowa. That's pretty cool.
I forgot I had it. I don't use it for once in a while.
So yeah, if anybody needs anything fixed with tools that,
We're gonna check this.
Okay.
Extended pedal knob.
so yeah, if you need something fixed that everybody else says has to be replaced, come here to this Third Ward Bike Shop. He's got tools that really
Aren't made
aren't
made anymore.
yeah, they aren't made anymore even. So this is pretty cool.
There's a liability problem with these.
Ah.